All right, all right, all right. I'm gonna do a. It is cold here in North Carolina today. It's high of 35 degrees, and I know to those of you family members or friends or anybody else who lives north of the Mason-Dixon line, you're probably laughing. 35. 35 is cold in North Carolina. So I'm in the bonus room with the dog. Come here, Gus. We're going to do some songs. If I get off key, he's going to jump in and get it right. Get right, Gus. All right. So we're going to do a song here tonight. I've been battling this nasty crud that's been going on for weeks, it seems like. I think I've at least got a window where I can breathe and my voice is not cracking and full of whatever, the nasty crud stuff. But I'll try a little song here tonight. Post this thing up on the band Facebook page. We've been getting requests from folks for videos, not just of the gigs we do, but also just of some songs that we're working on or little acoustic things. It seems to be the thing that a lot of folks are doing today. So we'll throw our hat into the ring as well. So do a little acoustic stuff. This is one I've been working on to add to our set, and it's close. It's not quite where it ought to be, but it's good enough for video and good enough for Facebook. So although nothing but the best. But I'll quit talking. This is a little song that I heard years ago. It's actually brought to my attention from a friend of ours, a former bandmate, a guy by the name of Buddy Dukes, who's got his own group now and is doing really well. Locally here in Charlotte, they do a fine job, and his son's quite the guitarist. And they're enjoying a lot of success right now, and I'm happy for them. It's a song that Buddy used to do when we were in the same band together back in the Shuffletown days years ago, and it's I guess I've come to a point in my life where I can relate. So it's a really good song. It was originally done by Ricky Skaggs and Kentucky Thunder on their Live in Charleston, South Carolina album. So a little song called Simple Life. Hope you like it. I live a simple life. I work all day and sleep all night. A couple kids who need a nap. Big dog and a little cat. A wife that barks but rarely bites. So I live a simple life. I live a simple life. A good coat when the cold winds bite. Leather boots for my bare feet. And now and then a steak to eat. I pick with the boys on Friday nights. So I live a simple life. And my favorite book was wrote about a man who died to save my soul. And my favorite thing to hear is, Daddy, I'm so glad you're home. And my favorite woman is 5'9" with long brown hair and green eyes. Oh, I live a simple life. I live a simple life. A couple of friends I really like. A little house outside of town. An old car that gets me around. Complications may arise. Still I live a simple life. I live a simple life. A cell phone when my old car dies. The internet to show me where. GPS to get me there. Everywhere there's satellites. Still I live a simple life. My favorite book was wrote about a man who died to save my soul. And my favorite thing to hear is, Daddy, I'm so glad you're home. And my favorite woman is 5'9" with long brown hair and green eyes. Oh, I live a simple life. there you have it. Hope y'all enjoy it.